First Chronicles chapter 1. Adam, Seth, Enosh, Kenan, Mahalalel, Yared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, Noah, Shem, Ham, Japheth. The descendants of Japheth: Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshach, and Teras. The descendants of Gomer: Ashkenaz, Diphat, and Togarmah. The descendants of Javan: Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Rodanim. The descendants of Ham: Cush, Egypt, Put, and Canaan. The descendants of Cush: Sheba, Havilah, Sabta, Ramah, and Sabteka. The descendants of Ramah: Sheba and Dedan. Cush became the father of Nimrod. He was the first to be mighty one on the earth. Egypt became the father of Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, Naphtuhim, Pathrushim, Casluhim, and Caphtorim, from whom the Philistines come. Canaan became the father of Sidon, his firstborn, and Heth, and Jebusites, the Amorites, the Girgashites, the Hivites, the Arkites, the Sinites, the Arvadites, the Zemarites, and the Hamathites. The descendants of Shem: Elam, Ashur, Arpachshad, Lud, Aram, Uz, Hul, Gether, and Meshach. Arpachshad became the father of Shelah, and Shelah became the father of Eber. To Eber were born two sons. The name of the one was Peleg, and the name of his brother Joktan. Joktan became the father of Almodad, Sheleph, Haramaveth, Jerah, Hadoram, Uzal, Dikla, Ebal, Abimael, Sheba, Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. All these were the descendants of Joktan: Shem, Arpachshad, Shelah, Eber, Peleg, Reu, Sherug, Nahor, Terah, Abram. That is Abraham. Sons of Abraham: Isaac and Ishmael. These are the genealogies: the firstborn of Ishmael: Nebaioth, and Kedar, Adbeel, Mibsam, Mishma, Duma, Massa, Hadad, Tema, Jatur, Naphish, and Kedemah. These are the sons of Ishmael. The sons of Keturah, Abraham's concubine: she bore Zimran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shua. The sons of Jokshan: Sheba and Dedan. The sons of Midian: Ephah, Epher, Hanok, Abida, and Eldah. All these were the descendants of Keturah. Abraham became the father of Isaac. The sons of Isaac: Esau and Israel. The sons of Esau: Eliphaz, Reuel, Jeush, Jalam, and Korah. The sons of Eliphaz: Teman, Omar, Zephi, Gatam, Kenaz, Timnah, and Amalek. The sons of Reuel: Nahath, Zerah, Shammah, and Mizzah. The sons of Ser: Lotan, Shobal, Zibeon, Anna, Dishon, Ezer, and Dishan. The sons of Lotan: Hori and Homa. And Lotan's sister was Timnah. The sons of Shobal: Alian, Manahath, Ibal, Shephi, and Onam. The sons of Zibeon: Aya and Anna. The sons of Anna: Dishon. The sons of Dishon: Hamran, Ishban, Itran, and Cheran. The sons of Ezer: Bilhan, Zavan, and Jakan. The sons of Dishan: Uz and Aran. These are the kings who reigned in the land of Edom before any king reigned over the Israelites: Bela, son of Beor, whose city was called Dinahaba. When Bela died, Jobab, son of Zerah of Bozrah, succeeded him. When Jobab died, Husham of the land of the Temanites succeeded him. When Husham died, Hadad, son of Bedad, who defeated Midian in the country of Moab, succeeded him, and the name of his city was Avith. When Hadad died, Samlah of Masrekah succeeded him. When Samlah died, Shaul of Rehoboth on the Euphrates succeeded him. When Shaul died, Baal-Hanan, son of Akbor, succeeded him. When Baal-Hanan died, Hadad succeeded him. The name of his city was Pai, and his wife's name Mehetabel, daughter of Matred, daughter of Mehzabah. And Hadad died. The clans of Edom were clans Timnah, Aliah, Jethed, Oholibamah, Elah, Pinon, Kenaz, Teman, Mibzar, Magdiel, and Iraq. These are the clans of Edom. 1 Chronicles chapter 2. These are the sons of Israel: Reuben, Shimeon, Levi, Judah, Issachar, Zebulun, Dan, Joseph, Benjamin, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher. The sons of Judah: Onan, and Shelah. These three the Canaanite woman Bathsheba bore to him. Now Judah's firstborn, was wicked in the sight of the Lord, and he put him to death. His daughter-in-law Tamar also bore him Peresh and Zerah. Judah had 5 sons in all. The sons of Perah: Ezron and Hamul. The sons of Zerah: Zimri, Ethan, Heman, Calcol, and Dara, 5 in all. The sons of Carmi: Achar, the troubler of Israel, who transgressed in the matter of the devoted thing, and Ethan's sons was Azariah. The sons of Hezron, who were born to him: Zeramil, Ram, and Shelubah. Ram became the father of Aminadab, and Aminadab became the father of Nahshon, prince of sons of Judah. Nahshon became the father of Salma, Salma of Boaz, Boaz of Obed, Obed of Jesse. Jesse became the father of Eliab, his firstborn, Abinadab the second, Shimei the third, Nathaniel the fourth, Radai the fifth, Ozem the sixth, David the seventh. And their sisters were Zeruiah and Abigail. The sons of Zeruiah: Abishai, Joab, and Asahel. 3. Abigail bore Amasa, and the father of Amasa was Jether, the Ishmaelite. Caleb, son of Hezron, had children by his wife Azubah and by Jerioth. These were her sons: Jesher, Shobab, and Adon. When Azubah died, Caleb married Ephrath, who bore him Hur. Hur became the father of Uri, and Uri became the father of Bezalel. Afterward, Hezron went in to the daughter of Machir, father of Gilead, whom he married when he was 60 years old, and she bore him Segub. And Segub became the father of Jair, who had 23 towns in the land of Gilead. But Gesher and Aram took from them Havoth, Jair, Kenath, and its villages, 60 towns. All these were descendants of Machir, father of Gilead. After the death of Hezron in Caleb Ephrathah, Abijah, wife of Hezron, bore him Ashur, father of Toar. The sons of Jeramil, the firstborn of Hezron: Ram, his firstborn, Oren, Ozem, and Ahijah. Jeramil also had another wife whose name was Atara. She was the mother of Onam. The sons of Ram, the firstborn of Jeramil: Maz, Jamin, and Eker. Sons of Onam: Shammai and Jedah. The sons of Shammai: Nadab and Abishur. The name of Abishur's wife was Abihail, and she bore him Aban and Molid. The sons of Nadab: Salad and Apim, and Salad died childless. The son of Apim: Ishi. The son of Ishi: Sheshan. The son of Sheshan: Ahle. The son of Jedah: Shammai's brother, Jether and Jonathan. And Jether died childless. The sons of Jonathan: Peleth and Zaza. These were the descendants of Jeramil. Now Sheshan had no sons, only daughters. But Sheshan had an Egyptian slave whose name was Jarha. So Sheshan gave his daughter in marriage to his slave Jarha, and she bore him Attai. Attai became the father of Nathan, and Nathan of Zabad. Zabad became the father of Ephlal, and Ephlal of Obed. Obed became the father of Jehu, and Jehu of Azariah. Azariah became the father of Helez, and Helez of Elisha. Elisha became the father of Shishmai, and Shishmai of Shallum. Shallum became the father of Jechamiah, and Jechamiah of Elishama. The sons of Caleb, brothers of Jerahmeel, Mesha his firstborn, who was father of Ziph. The sons of Maresha, father of Hebron. The sons of Hebron, Korah, Tappuah, Rekem, and Shema. Shema became the father of Raham, father of Joachim, and Rekem became the father of Shammai. The son of Shammai, Maon, and Maon was the father of Betsu. Ephah, also Caleb's concubine, bore Haran, Moza, and Gazez. And Haran became the father of Gazez. The sons of Jadai, Regem, Jotham, Geshan, Pele, Ephah, and Shapha. Maacah, Caleb's concubine, bore Sheber and Tirana. She also bore Shapha, father of Madmana, Shiva, father of Macbenah, and father of Gibeah, and the daughter of Caleb was Aksa. These were the descendants of Caleb. The sons of Hur, the firstborn of Ephrathah, Shobal, father of Kiriath Jearim, Salma, father of Bethlehem, and Harepha, father of Beth-Gader. Shobal, father of Kiriath Jearim, had other sons. Haru, half of Menuhoth, and the families of Kiriath Jearim, the Ithrites, the Puthites, the Shumathites, and the Mishrahites. From these came Zorathites and the Eshtaolites. The sons of Salma, Bethlehem, the Netophathites, Atroth, Beth, Joab, and half of the Anahathites, the Zorites, the families also of the scribes that lived at Jabez, the Tirathites, the Shimeathites, and the Sukathites. These are Kenites who came from Hamad, father of house of Rechab. 1 Chronicles chapter 3. These are the sons of David who were born to him in Hebron. The firstborn Amnon by Ahinoam the Jezreelite. The second Daniel by Abigail the Carmelite. The third Absalom, son of Maacah, daughter of King Talmai of Geshur. The fourth Adonijah, son of Haggith. The fifth Sheptathai by Abitab. The sixth Ithream by his wife Eglah. 6 were born to him in Hebron, where he reigned for 7 years and 6 months, and he reigned 33 years in Jerusalem. These were born to him in Jerusalem: Shimeah, Shobab, Nathan, and Solomon, 4 by Bathsheba, daughter of Amiel. Then Ibar, Elishama, Eliphelet, Noga, Nepheg, Japhia, Elishama, Eliada, and Eliphelet, 9. All these were David's sons, beside the son of the concubine, and Tamar was their sister. The descendants of Solomon: Rehoboam, Abijah his son, Asa his son, Jehoshaphat his son, Joram his son, Haziah his son, Joash his son, Amaziah his son, Azariah his son, Jotham his son, Ahaz his son, Hezekiah his son, Manasseh his son, Amon his son, Josiah his son. The sons of Josiah: Johanan the firstborn, the second Jehoiakim, the third Zedekiah, the fourth Shallum. The descendants of Jehoiakim: Jeconiah his son, Zedekiah his son, and the sons of Jeconiah the captive: Shealtiel his son, Malchiram, Pedaiah, Shenazar, Zechariah, Hoshma, and Nedabiah. The sons of Pedaiah: Zerubbabel and Shimea. And the sons of Zerubbabel: Meshullam and Hananiah. And Shelomith was their sister. And Hashubah, Ohel, Berechiah, Hasadiah, and Jushab. He said 5. The sons of Hananiah, Pelatiah, and Jeshiah. His son Rephaiah, his son Arnan, his son Obadiah, his son son of Shechaniah, Shemaiah, and the sons of Shemaiah, Hattush, Igal, Bariah, Neariah, and Shaphat. 6. The sons of Neariah, Elionia, Hilkiah, and Arikiah. 3. The sons of Elionia, Haduiah, Eliashib, Pelaiah, Akub, Johanan, Delilah, and Anani. 7.